In this video, I'll detail how to find hidden apps on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're using an iOS 18 and you've hide some of your application on your iPhone because of security reason or unauthorized access, then this video is going to walk you through step by step on how you can easily find all the hidden apps you have hidden on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, there are two ways that you can use to find hidden apps on your iPhone. You can find the hidden apps on your iPhone on iOS 18 via the settings, and you can also go to the app library to see all the applications you've hidden. Then first, go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down and click on General. Once you click on General, tap iPhone storage. Then on the iPhone storage page, just scroll down to the bottom. Then here, there's a feature called Hidden Apps. Then click on that. Then confirm to Face ID. Here, you're going to see all your hidden apps on your iPhone on iOS 18. So you can see I have the audio mark hidden on my iPhone, while this application is still available on my iPhone, but it is not available on the home screen. Additionally, you can also find or check the hidden apps from the app library by going to your app library on your iPhone. Then scroll down to the bottom. Then there's a feature called Hidden. Click on that. Then confirm to your Face ID. Then you're going to see the application here. So see that? So that is basically all you need to do to find and see hidden apps on your iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.